This video tutorial I will explain fill method of arrays class which accept long array and the long value. Here I have defined the class arrays demo. Here I have defined the long array. It has 5 long values. Then I am displaying the long array content. Then I am calling fill method of arrays class and passing long array and value to be filled as 8. What this fill method will do is it fill the long array content with the value 8. After fill method is called, I am displaying the long array content and here you can see the output. All the values are filled with 8. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.